Hey guys, I've got the Nuwave Induction Wok, and this is the titanium version, so it's the larger version, higher wattage and all that. So I'm gonna open up the box and show you everything that comes with it. So you have a quick start guide, you have a little warranty information card, a regular owner's manual, and then you have this really nice little cookbook that they send with it. Colored photographs to go along with all the recipes, really nice. They've got a bunch of them in here. It has a probe so you can tell the temperature of particular things. So if you want to, if you were making candy, for instance, you could have this probe in there to know exactly what temperature you're at, and or if you're making a roast or searing a steak and you need to just check the temperature on it. It also has this little guy, so if you were doing the candy making like I was talking about, you can hook this on the side of the pot. Once it's on the side of the pot, you can hook the probe in here and it will hold it down in the pot for you, so it will hold under the side of the pot like that. And then here is the unit itself. Let's pull the sticker off of there. When you hit the on button, it will automatically go to sear, which is 575. If you wanted to go to high, it's 400. Medium high is 300. Medium is 200. Low is 100. And then of course that's the probe button. I don't have it plugged in, so it's not going to read anything. We're here. I'll go ahead and plug it in and show you. You plug it in on the side there. I just have it still wrapped up. But if you were to hit probe, you can see it says 71, which is about the temperature in the room right now, right at it. So let's say we wanted to start a pot of boiling water. I'm not going to get a pot out right now, but let's say you wanted to turn it on and just have it go in full blast. You just press the on button, it automatically goes to sear, you hit start, and you are going. That's as easy as you can make it. Now this will not get hot unless there's a pot on it, because it's an induction cooktop, so it can stay here all day long. Actually, yeah, there you go. See, it says E1 because it knows there's not a pan on it. So I'll turn that off. This does not get hot unless there is a induction pot on it, which means if the magnet sticks to the bottom of your pan, then it'll work here. Overall, guys, this is 10 out of 10. Would recommend. It's super simple, super easy. This would be great for campers or small, tiny homes and stuff like that, where you don't want to have one of these big bad boys in there. Overall, 10 out of 10. Would recommend. I hope this answered some questions for you, and I'll see you in the next one.